Hi guys, how to make a convenient animation switching system so that it's easy to build animation schemes. Subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Here is an example of Twer game. The intro animation system is built through triggers, and also the slowdown of the game is implemented through animation.
And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind,
Now we will create it all. Let's start by creating an animation. We will also build a system through triggers, but you can use both. Why through triggers? Because sometimes you need to adapt to the animator and give him the opportunity to quickly test the animation, but in parallel we can create our own correct.
to keep you, to keep you. Trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
We have a problem that triggers, because of fast clicks, knocks them out of sequence.
You held me then, now you got me reaching out, yeah. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you.
Now we will write our own system for processing triggers and other moments of the animator from convenient control. We can change parameters, states, take what state it is now, and also smoothly change parameters through a coroutine. Works as it should. Now we will check how to slow down the animation.
How long do I gotta keep you?
Success! Thank you for watching, guys. See you later, the next video.